Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a sneak peek of the coasters we're going to be making today, and they glow in the dark, so that's super fun and exciting. First, I wanted to show you these really awesome products I got from Laura's Art Corner. These little star glitters actually glow in the dark. I inserted a clip right here. These are some snow globe tumblers I'm working on, and I put the glow in the dark glitters in the blue cup right here. Check it out. How fun is that? And here's a clip of the glow stars in the bag. They have a really nice bright glow. So if you guys are looking for any glow in the dark glitter, be sure to check out those stars at Laura's Art Corner. And she sent me some really awesome pigments too. The fluorescents are really fun to work with. The colors are super bright. I am working on a set of coasters with them right now and hope to have that video up soon. And she's also got some really pretty pearl micas. I'll show you what they look like with the lids off so you can really see the color. The fluorescents are so bright. They're awesome. And I also got the glow powder that I'm going to be using on the coasters in today's video. In this batch of goodies, some square cut red glitter would be really fun for Valentine's Day coming up, and these super holographic opulence glitters in pink, blue, black, and silver. I made this bookmark with some leftover silver opulence glitter. Look at how sparkly and pretty. So definitely check out Laura's Art Corner for your glitters and pigments. I will link her store down below along with my coupon code. I have a 10% off coupon code. So let's jump in and get onto the coasters. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera just to save time. But if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my snowflake tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to check that out. I'm just filling my mold up a third of the way full with the general use epoxy from the epoxy resin store, just with clear, and now I'm going in with some of the angel white epoxy paste. I mixed a pea-size amount in a 3-ounce cup of clear resin, and I'm just doing squiggly lines, no rhyme or reason. I'm heating it up with my heat gun on low just to blend some of the lines, and that was it. Covered them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and now we're going to go in and do the glitter backing. I'm going to be using the Aqua Glow powder with this Chunky Blue Sky holographic and Passion Galaxy holographic glitter for the backing layer. I'm adding quite a bit of glow powder to this cup here, and you want to mix that in really well. It does have kind of like a not white, but it's not transparent or clear, so it is going to change the color of your resin a little bit. So it works really well with anything that's blue. That's why I'm adding the blue glitter to my cup of glow pigment. And then I'm just going to mix up some Passion Galaxy holographic, and we're going to go in and pour the glitter backing. When you pour your glitter backing, you want to do it pretty fast because it does kind of start to spread out a little bit. And if you're wanting to use several different colors of glitter, you have to pour quickly so you can see every single color of glitter that you're using, because like let's say you poured the blue, see how the blue's really spreading out? You can kind of take another color and try to push it over, but it's not a guarantee that it's going to push that blue glitter all the way over. So you want to pour really fast if you're using several glitters. I'm going to go in and heat pop the bubbles, heat gun on low. And you want to make sure you fill the mold up the rest of the way. That way you won't get a lip around the edge of your coaster. Sometimes if you underfill the mold, you'll get kind of like a sharp lip around the edge on the bottom of your coaster. So just make sure you fill them up as much as you can when you're pouring the second layer. And if you haven't seen my original video trying the Milky Way coasters technique, be sure to check that out. I'll link that down below as well. They turned out really pretty. And that was it. I'm just going to cover them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and now we're ready to demold them. I was really excited when I popped these out of the mold. They turned out really nice. I love how that angel white got really nice and wispy in that first layer, and you can still see the glitter that we poured on the second layer. I think these turned out really fun. The first time I tried this technique, I used kind of light glitters. So this go around with this technique, actually wanted to use darker glitters just to see, what the difference would be. And the darker glitters really made that first layer pop, so I was really happy with that. I did have some bubbles on the backside. On this glitter layer, I used the Woodcrafters epoxy from the epoxy resin store, and I don't like that epoxy, so don't try that one. The general use epoxy is the one that I like to use, but I have a gallon of the Woodcrafters, so I was trying to use it up. I don't like it because it does have quite a few bubbles. So I'm going to show you guys the glow in the dark. So here they are just sitting on my table, and I'm going to take my UV light and shine it over them so you can see. Check out that glow in the dark. Super fun. And remember, we only put that in the chunky blue glitter, the chunky navy. So I was trying to get a video, and oh my goodness, it was so hard to capture the glow aspect on camera. I was just like, oh man, it's not showing up. So hopefully you can see it okay, but this is what they look like in the total darkness, which is really fun. Definitely check out Laura's Art Corner for some glow powder because I'm having a lot of fun experimenting with it. I'm making a really big piece with it right now, so I'm excited to get that finished up and get the video uploaded so you guys can see that. And here's just a little close-up of how they turned out. I think they turned out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so, so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit my personal goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'm hoping that I can do it. I'm not sure though, so don't forget to subscribe. And also, I will be sure to link all the materials down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. If you guys want to try any of these products, it'll save you a little bit. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!